Hello friends, welcome to Kalpa Creations by Ruchita. Today we are going to make Malai kofta. We will make Malai kofta in two stages. The first stage is gravy. For making gravy, let's take 1 tablespoon oil and 1 tablespoon butter in the pan. I am using cooker here. Add bay leaf, black cumin, star anise, black cardamom, green cardamom and cinnamon in the pan. To that add 2-3 pods of garlic, green chili, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger and 1 cup of chopped onion. Mix it well and cook for 4 to 5 minutes till onion gets translucent. Now add chopped tomato 1 cup and 1/3 cup of cashews. To that add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and spices like garam masala, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Mix it well and close the lid and cook for 2 whistles. Till the gravy is cooking, we will make our koftas, which is our stage 2. For making kofta, we need 1 cup grated paneer and 1 cup boiled grated potato. Add finely chopped green chili according to taste, 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of cashew or dry fruits of your choices. Add half teaspoon of salt or salt to taste. Add black pepper powder 1 teaspoon and cornstarch 1.5 tablespoon. We are taking 1.5, but from that you can add gradually according to the requirement. And you can replace cornstarch with rice flour also. And then mix it well together and try to shape like a kofta. If shape is not forming, then add more cornstarch or rice flour to the dough, kofta dough. Now deep fry, shallow fry or air fry these koftas till they turn golden brown. I am doing this in appe pan. Take out the pressure of the pressure cooker and open the cooker. Now take out the gravy in the blender jar, remove the bay leaf and let it cool down and blend it. Now strain the gravy, add little water if needed to the gravy. The gravy is very smooth. Now add little salt to taste and 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Sugar is optional. I am using brown sugar here and heat the gravy little bit. The gravy is ready. Our koftas are ready. So let us serve them. For serving, when you are going to serve, at that time take the koftas in the serving bowl and drizzle the gravy on the top of it and garnish it with I have saved little paneer, so I will serve the grated paneer and garnish it with little malai and chopped coriander. The gravy is ready to eat. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.